Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Halloween black cat. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween kitten, let's begin by drawing the top of the head. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve across like this. Then starting here for the head, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go around, and then I will bring this up here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then down for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll do the same thing. Bring this up and down. I'm going to curve this across here, and I'll curve this across here. Now, inside the eye, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. And then same thing here. I'm going to go down and then in. I'm going to make a big circle at the top of each eye. And then I'll make a smaller circle at the bottom for a little reflection. And then I'm just going to go ahead and color this part in real quick. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little oval for the nose. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up. And another one that's just going to go down and up. I'll draw two little curved lines for some eyebrows. And then I'm going to make two lines that come out here for some whiskers. Now let's work on the hat. So I want to make it like a witch hat. So I'm going to make a nice big oval. I'm going to go out. I'm going to bring this around and come into here. Next, I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to come around and down. Then starting here, I'm going to curve this line up and down. Then I'm going to bring this in and down to here. Then we'll make a little line across here for like the brim of the hat. Now for some ears, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and down, and then up and down. Then I'll make another little shape right inside of there for the inside of our little cat ears. Now let's work on the body. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line down. And I'm going to start here and draw another line down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then same thing here. I'm going to come up and down. I'm going to bring this line in, and I'm going to bring this line in. Then I want to curve this up, and we'll curve this up too. Next, I'm going to draw two curved lines inside each one for some toes. Draw a little line across. And then for the back legs, let's go out and then in. And same thing here, we're just going to go out and then in. We're going to draw a little line that's going to go up and down and in. And same thing here, just go up, down, and in. And then I'll just make a little curved line on each side. Now right in the middle, I'm going to make a couple little points just for like a little bit of fur. Now let's make the tail. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down here. I'm going to curve this around I'm going to bring this down and then back. Next, over here, I want to make a little pumpkin. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around. I'll make a little line that's going to curve up and down for the stem. And then another one right here and then connect it. I'll make a little triangle shape here and another little triangle shape here. And then I'll make some little zigzag lines for a mouth. We'll do the same thing here, just make some little zigzag lines. Next, over here, I want to make like a little spider coming down. So I'm going to draw a little line. Then I'm going to put a black dot on here with another little smaller black dot underneath it. Then I'll make some legs. We'll put 4 little legs on each side for our little spider. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Halloween cat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.